What you see is what you get. I'm giving all the looks.
So we are coming with a force.
Well, hello there. It's been a long time. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. If you want to see how to get this pixie cut just like this, make sure you watch the install because she did not come exactly like this out the pack, but I promise you what I did was beginner friendly. I know some of y'all be like, oh, that wasn't beginner friendly, blah, 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 but I really didn't do much to this unit. If you know how to work a curling iron, bang, bang, you can get the look just like this. So definitely check out the install and see how I lay and slayed this joint gluelessly. Not glued on my head, bang, bang. We like that, okay? Now before we get into this video, you guys know what it is, okay? It's sip and slay, okay? But I ain't got no wine today because it's still boxed up because I'm still trying to unpack everything for the new house. If you guys don't know, we did move from Texas to Georgia in the last couple weeks, so we are getting settled here in the new place. So I'm sipping a little something, okay, that's not wine, but it's sure to get me right. You hear me? Oh, something I don't drink all the time. You can tell. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside. And you know that a man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to pay nobody's way. Cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. With me, brother, that can satisfy me. Just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sing. Cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangster league. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me. Everybody, your party, baby. Nobody's invited but you, baby. I can do it slow now.
Puerto Rican, I see the way you wiggle it, the way you move your body. He can't make it get wetter than me, but I bet you keep telling you he better than me. Ooh, you know that he can't go down like me. You know that he ain't no freak like me. So baby, tell me one little thing. How deep is your love for me? Oh yeah.
so did y'all watch the install? Did you watch the install and see how I got this joint together? I must say I'm proud of myself, okay? Because when I put her on, I'm not gonna say she was, you know, she wasn't horrible, okay? But she was just sitting a little too mommy-ish for me. I mean, I'm a mother, okay? Y'all know that I'm a mother, but it was worse than a soccer mom. Okay, so I had to jazz her up just a smidge. I had to become the cool soccer mom. That's where I am right now, okay? Boop. So like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. It is their Pixie cut unit. All the specs that I got for my unit are listed right here on the screen. This unit does retail for, I believe it's $159. And I don't think that's the sale price. I think that's the everyday price for this joint. So if you want to get a little 8-inch playtime before the hot weather is out, listen. I'm here to change the game, you hear me? WowAfrican never does me wrong when it comes to lace. I mean soft like butter, okay? Butter soft, butter lace. So yeah, the lace is sitting real nice. It blended down really well. It took my products really well. I did use my powder under my lace. And then I went on top a little bit with my creamy contour and my powder contour to set that lace into place. Because I did have some ashy spots around my hairline. They were easy to blend down. And I'm sitting here right now giving the looks. You hear me? Okay, I am here for this Johnny Bravo joint right here. Is that his name? Johnny Quest. Is it Johnny Quest? You know, the little white dude with the black glasses and the, you know, the real tall blonde hot top fade. But that's what I'm giving right now, and I'm not mad at it, okay? Because listen, y'all know me. Y'all, if you don't know, then get to know. I do what I want, okay? I do what I want. I say what I want. I style my hair the way that I want to, and here we go. I don't know why I'm like this, y'all, but I'm just feeling I'm real happy, okay? Because your girl is back. If you can't tell by the background, I'm in my new space. I'm still working on how I want to situate my room. If you've been watching my Instagram stories, then you know that I have been taking you guys along on all the updates we are doing in the Georgia house. So yes, I am happy to be back behind the camera and giving you guys the looks. Listen, I'm just ooh, goodness gracious, about to pop my lash off, Lord. Okay, but I'm actually feeling this look. Initially I wanted the, you know, the full-on bang with the curls and everything, but I already did that. If you check out my other pixie cut wigs, I do have a wig similar to this one where I did like a little, you know, swoop bang action, and it came out real cute too. So I wanted to keep this one more simple because in the first pixie cut wig that I shared on my channel, I actually did a style where I pulled the hair all back, and that was on accident. I was doing that as I was styling it into another look. Here we are today giving the look. I decided to bring a little piece of hair down because it fell out when I was, you know, trying to push it all back, and I was like, happy accidents. That's what this hairstyle was, and I'm here for it. Super easy, y'all. Super easy everyday wear. I can throw this joint on, push her on back, put my little products in my hair, and go. Now, obviously in the put down, you saw that I did use a razor comb. I got this joint from my local beauty supply store. If you don't have one, get one. It's very easy to use. When it comes to pixie cut wigs, I'm always finicky about the sides and the back because it can get real wiggish real quick. So because I don't have Ken here to help me, you know, shape this up and, you know, trim it up, things like that, it's gonna look a little, you know, boxy and wiggish kind of, you know, in the back. But if you have someone there to help you, get them clippers, get the razor, line her up, okay? Get that line together, and I promise she gonna look good. But from the front, what you see is what you get. Okay, yes, this is what you're getting right now, and I'm giving all the looks. No shedding, no tangling, easy to style. We in here, okay? We in here. If you have not rocked the pixie cut wig yet, this is your sign, okay? Caroline, this is your sign right here, sis. Listen. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. If there's a coupon code, I will also link it down below so you guys can save some money on your order. You guys know I like the savings, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.